Sunday after Thanksgiving. I ate so much. I don't feel like doing anything today. Wrong. If you're going home to your families this holiday, it's all the more reason to get in shape. And here on this Lazy Sunday with Lauren Sharp, I'm gonna make it fun for you. Whoa! So throw on your leggings, grab your sweatshirts, because before those turkey thighs go straight to your thighs, and that green bean casserole becomes your green bean casseroles. I just made that up. We're gonna show you how to zap that turkey fat away. Let's get started. This might be my most annoying video. First, let's start with the abdominals. Thanksgiving? More like Planksgiving. Next, we're gonna do the gravy boat, a moderation on your favorite yoga boat pose. Just hold that gravy boat still until you can feel all the fat rise to the top. Now let's get working on our glutes with some turkey leg lifts. You thought stuffing that huge turkey leg down your face was hard enough. Try getting your own leg up to your mouth. That's a stretch. Right, America? And to finish up those glutes, now that you got yourself some turkey, why not get a little twerky? This next one has been a classic for centuries and centuries of Thanksgivings. I'm sure even the Pilgrims did it after their big Thanksgiving feast. It's what I like to call trying on skinny jeans on Black Friday. It's a great full body workout, all in one simple move. You're sure to feel the body burn and the body resentment all over. Finally, we'll end with what I like to call a food baby. Again, a modification on the yoga pose happy baby, but a little more packed and stuffed. Lie on the ground with your feet up in the air, but instead of wrapping your hands around your feet, wrap them around your stomach as you moan in ache and pain from all of the tryptophan surging through your veins. A great way to end a workout. Follow the food baby, of course, with the food coma. Remember, make sure you get a 5-minute cool down after your workout before you return to the kitchen for more leftovers and/or more arguments with your family. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. And remember, no matter how much you eat this Thanksgiving, there's always a way to tell that stuffing how it can get stuffed. Stay fit! I'm so sorry.